Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this numbers matching 68 big block Camaro. Beautiful running, L34, 396. This is a beautiful Camaro with an engine option that you don't see too often. This is the 396, 350 horsepower big block. Most of the time you'll see, the L35, the 3¼ horse, or the L78 is very rarely seen, but most of the time, a guy would go with the 3¼ or the 375. This is the right there in between. Okay, numbers matching, real super sport, but the paint and body on this car is excellent. It's an original model car as well. When this thing came in, it had all original interior. We recovered the front two seats because they were original and had rips in them, but the back seat's original, and that's in beautiful shape. Dash gauges original as well, along with the rosewood steering wheel. Also had a factory 8-track tape player installed in the console, which we have in the trunk. That'll come with the car, but it's not installed at the moment. Car does have power brakes, no power steering, but a very, very nicely detailed engine compartment. Motor's been painted. Does have the cowl hood, all your correct GM hoses. Paint on the inner fenders is beautiful as well. And with that low mileage, you're gonna get excellent gaps, and that's what we're seeing here on the hood. Front bumper appears to be original, still has the bumper guards there. Just some minor, wear or age on it, but it's still, something that you don't need to replace, still looks great. A couple little bug chips that have been touched up here on the front fascia. Hood gaps, excellent. Love the SS stripe across the front nose and down the side of the car. Door gap is excellent as well. Your Camaro Super Sport badges along with the 396 insignia up there. Great looking rally wheels with the flat caps, wrapped in some BFG raised white letter tires with great tread. No bubbles or blisters that I see down along this door. We do have a little chip right there. Front glass is clear, no cracks in the dash pad. The dash itself looks very nice as well. Final top is in beautiful shape. This is a car that you take to any car show, people are gonna flock to. They're gonna wanna see it, wanna sit inside it, check it out, hear it run. It's just one of them kind of cars. All your chrome trim around the window is in great shape as well. Doors open and close just as they should. Original door panel here. Looks fantastic, but you do see a little bit of wear around the edges of it. Rust-free corner of the door. Inside corner of the door is awesome as well. Chrome Camaro glove box door. Add a little flair to this interior. Original AM radio, correct 4-speed center console with your rally gauges in there. Headliner's in excellent shape, appears to be the original. Again, we recovered the front seats when they came in, but didn't do anything with the back seats, but they look excellent. Doors close excellent. Windshield, side glass lines up well with the roof. No air or water getting in there. Up over the wheel well. It's in beautiful condition, no bubbles or blisters. Down on the dog leg there. On the vinyl top looks great as well. Trunk lines up excellent. Blacked out tail panel that the big blocks and Super Sports had. Chrome bumper still has the bumper guards on it. Rear bumper looks to be original as well. This car is extremely solid underneath too. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, and check out those undercarriage photos. Original vinyl top. I don't see any bubbling around the back window. Just a time capsule of a car. No bubbles down there in the rear quarter. And the paint's beautiful. It's got a really nice shine, deep finish. Haven't really seen much for imperfections in this car so far. Tiny little chip that's been touched up there on the edge of the door. But look at that door fitment. You're not gonna find one to fit much better than this Camaro right here. Original GM sticker in the door jamb. But look at that corner of the door. This is what we wanna see. No rust, no filler, no repair work to that corner of the door. This door panel, similar to the passenger side, very nice. You have a little rub mark that actually rubs right off. Tim did a great job recovering these seats. They look great. Headliner's nice. Rosewood steering wheel looks beautiful. Appears to be the stock wheel, so you do have a little crack there and a little crack there. I wouldn't replace it. The rest of the wheel's still in beautiful shape. Still functions like it should. Now there's your gauges, factory tacked. Doesn't get better than a big block red Camaro with excellent body lines, 396 4-speed. Fantastic car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. You could be the next one to take this big block beauty to a show.